Question 27. Very easy question. Really easy question. All we've got to do is match these with the oxidation states of the central metal atom. Metal likha nahi hai, but they're all metals. Okay, I'm going to cheat here, and I know that this is plus 7. I know that this is plus 6. We can figure out the rest. And I say that because this is the state that you as a student is also going to have at the end of 12th. By cheating, not because I have taught for 10 whatever years. मैं बता रहा हूँ कि आपको भी, this will be your state as well at the end of 12th. You'll know this. You'll be like, हाँ, obviously, like manganese is plus 7, dichromate is plus 6. इन दोनों में थोड़ा देख लेंगे क्या होता है. And this looks like it's plus 3. You can correct me if you think something कुछ अलग है. ये वाला भी plus 5 ही लग रहा है, but एक बार check कर लेते हैं, right? Because VO3 minus is same as ClO3 minus. Just replace V with X or something, right? And you've done that multiple times, but we'll do it. एक बार फिर से करते हैं. 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 1, so V is equal to plus 5. All right. So 4 goes with A, I want to say. 3 goes with C. 2 goes with E. And 1 goes with D. A, B, C, D, E. So looks like this does not go to anybody. This correct? Yeah. 1, D, 2, E, 3, C, 4, A. Yeah, easy, really easy question. D, E, C, A. Yeah, absolutely. Let's move on. Question 28. Similar matching thingies, but now we've got some statements over here which we need to match with the oxidation numbers. Oh, this is funny. Ions having negative charge are anions? No way. Really? My God. Okay. And wow, you've got cations as well. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms in a neutral molecule. Yeah, this is obviously 0. Cool. So I'm going to mark a D over here, and 1 is going to be E, and 5 is going to be F. What about these middle two things? Oxidation number of hydrogen. Yeah. I feel like maybe we should not do match the columns, but okay. In the spirit of completion, we are doing it. Oxidation number of fluorine in NF, negative 1. All right, cool. This is it. This is like a, yeah, filler question. Assertion reason, last के 4-5 सवाल. Question 29. Usual deal. दोनों सही है, करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है, दोनों सही है, करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है, एक सही है, कौन सा सही है, फिगर आउट कर लेना है. बट बी केयरफुल, हाँ, इन द एग्जाम दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव, प्लीज रीड दी स्टेटमेंट्स. कभी कभी असर्शन रीजन अलग टाइप के भी देते हैं कि दोनों फॉल्स हैं. दैट कुड ऑल्सो बी वन ऑफ द असर्शन रीजन क्वेश्चंस. सो प्लीज रीड द ऑप्शंस केयरफुली. या ऑल्दो इन एनसीईआरटी सब सेम ही चीज़ें दी हैं सब में. Among halogens, fluorine is the best oxidant. The best, absolute best. How do we know this? 2.87, right? It really likes being reduced. F2 to F minus, E naught value of F2 to F minus is this. We just saw this on the NCERT book. If you've checked out the earlier questions. If you haven't, open up NCERT, you need to see this. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom. Okay, so what? Both are sahi, but I don't think it has anything to do with one or the other. Right? Well, I can say that chlorine has the highest electronic enthalpy. Okay, cool. But that has nothing to do with oxidation and reduction. They're two different things. So, yeah, they're both correct, but there's no correlation between either of these. Yeah, Atul, thanks for the answer. Absolutely. Question 30. इस सवाल में पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट, पोटेशियम आयोडाइड के बीच में जो रिएक्शन होता है, permanganate ion act as an oxidizing. What, really? Yeah, of course they do. What else would permanganate ions do? You got MnO4 minus, and depending on what your medium is, you get either Mn2 plus or MnO2 or MnO4 2 minus. This is for acidic. This is for basic. This is for mildly basic. This is for strongly alkaline. Well, why do I know this? Because मैंने D block पढ़ा है और आप once you read it, you'll also be like, हाँ, this is chill. This is the deal, right? A is correct. B is shady. Oxidation state of manganese change to plus. No, it's the other way around. It goes from plus 7 to plus 2 or plus 4. It depends. Like, could go to something, but second statement is wrong on multiple levels, right? Plus 2 to plus 7. No, obviously it's plus 7 to plus 2. But plus 7 to plus 2 also need not always be the case, right? I'll show you an example. This is clearly A is true, but R is false. I want to quickly share my screen and go back to NCERT this time around. And I'm going to show you an example where Control F, MnO2, just typing it out. Should find it, MnO2, बहुत जगह है MnO2. But the one that I want, where is that? Look at this, question 30 as I pointed out. Read this. Solved example, guys. Basic medium में दिया है कि MnO2 iodide के साथ ये देता है, permanganate iodide के साथ देता है MnO2 basic medium में, right? So unless the medium is specified, you can't be sure. This is one of those googly kind of questions. In 11th grade, it feels like bhai. In 12th, you're like, that's okay. Yeah, this is not that big a deal. But 11th, this may be an uphill question. All right? Is that it? One more question. Two more questions. Question 31. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to form water and oxygen is an example of disproportionation reaction. Let's see, we'll see. And पहले इसको देख लेते हैं ना, this is bugging me. Let's see. H2O2, H2O and O2. This is at -1, -2 and 0. So you've got a middle oxidation state and you've got a lower and a higher oxidation state as well. So yay, this works. This is disproportionation. Great. Oxygen. Oh, great. I swear, I'm not cheating you guys on this. I didn't read the second statement, but happens to be what we're looking for. Yeah. Peroxide में -1 है and converter 0 in O2 and oh, great. Awesome. It's so nice to get both correct and the correct explanation as well. That happens quite rarely. Question 32, the last question that we're going to solve on this topic right now. Redox couple is the combination of oxidized and reduced form of a substance involved in oxidation state. What? This seems right. In the representation of something and something, the redox couples. Yeah, I mean, I think both are correct. What do you think? मुझे दोनों सही लग रहे हैं. Redox couple is a combination of oxidized and reduced form of a substance. Oxidized and reduced form. So this is oxidized, this is a reduced form. Similarly, this is oxidized and this is a reduced form. Involved in oxidation or reduction half cell. Yeah, absolutely half cell. Yeah, I feel that this is 1. And this is one of those weird things, right? On 1, right? मुझे भी ये 1 लग रहा है. But in NCERT, they've given the answer to be 2. And I can't for the love of God understand why. If you know why that is, please comment में डाल के मुझे बताइए.